So today I am going to talk about spirituality and its other dimensions. So okay, so spirituality is a dimension in the whole existence, and in this dimension there are many other sub dimensions of it. Okay, so spirituality is the main definition of spirituality is basically to know yourself from in and out. When you know yourself, you know everything in the cosmos, everything, because it is through your five senses you gather information in your body, in your mind, and by on the daily basis, by recycling it, you give conclusion about any issue. Okay, so whatever you gather in your body from your past experiences, from your present experiences, it is there in your mind, in which manner you experience that dimension is also there. That means when you see anything in a bad mood, then that object is stored in your mind in that moment only. Okay, so in each and every moment what is happening in the cosmos is stored in our mind, and if we pay enough attention, so without going into school or any university, we know everything about the whole cosmos. That means we know universe without going in university. Okay, so because the five element of existence, air, water, soil, fire and space, is everywhere present in the existence, and everything is made out of it, be it plant, be it animal, be it inanimate object, everything is made up of this five element. And time, and which object stay for which amount of time is decided by the creator. Okay, so creator's creation is a very big, or you can say very humongous, and if you want to know anything in this cosmos, in anything, you have to pay enough attention. So it is not possible for everyone to pay attention to things which are not in their reach, but it is possible for everyone to pay attention on their own body, and through this you know everything. Okay, so every outside situation are not in our control, but inside situation are completely in our control. So each and everyone are capable of knowing everything in the whole existence. The only problem is very few people dedicate their life, dedicate their time to this thing, and this is the only thing which really matters in human beings life. Other dimensions are, you can say, good, but when you have such a privilege, that you have such a sophisticated mind, such a sophisticated body, why you waste your time in small things? These type of work are done by other kinds of creature, other kinds of machine. If you waste your time in these things and waste your time in doing things which are done by machines which are lesser capable than you, then it is not a good thing, because each and every creature, each and every machine, and each and every life have a role to play in this world. Okay, so whatever you do and whatever other creature do, both are good, but if creators give you such a brilliant mind, such a complex mind, you have to enjoy this gift and solve problems which are most sophisticated and not possible to solve by other kinds of creature. Okay, if you solve a small problem, then who solve bigger problem, who solve complex problem? So in spirituality, basically we know ourselves from inside and outside completely, and know its limitation and know its opportunity, and on that basis we act in the world. Okay, so till now, till our knowledge, we are the most sophisticated machine on planet earth, so we have the responsibility to solve complex tasks, and not tasks which are solvable by other small machines. Okay, so and the ultimate goal of every human being is liberation. That means moksha, or ultimate goal is ultimate liberation from this world. That means break the cycle, break the chain in which we are wandering from many years. So by observing these things, by observing ourselves, this question come in our mind is, what is spirituality? So spirituality is basically to know yourself, and through this you know everything, and it is possible, it is truth is the one thing which is very difficult, it is very difficult for most of the people to realize in this lifespan of time, because we have a very limited amount of time, every 70 to 80 years, and we have to be healthy so that we live our life and help other people to achieve this goal of liberation. first apply on yourself, and then help other people to achieve this goal. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this lecture, and it is an introductory lecture. In further videos I talk about its dimension and how it is helpful to expand your mind and your body. Okay, so thank you very much.